Maryland is aggressively trying to fix the housing shortage with new initiatives focusing on building more homes, especially near transit and job centers. It's Friday, April 24th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. These efforts could potentially provide more inventory over time, but most of the transit-dense areas are already built out with little land to expand for new housing. Developers will likely opt to build high-rise buildings to economize smaller footprints, so buyers will be living in vertical buildings, stacked boxes, instead of having detached homes like their parents grew up in. The cost of living in Maryland is still a dominant issue because Maryland is a high-cost state and housing affordability remains a barrier. Home prices continue to rise overall. The median sold price rose 4.4% from last March to $511,750 in Maryland suburbs this March. The Baltimore metro region rose 5.3% to $400,000 median sold price. The Maryland mountain sold prices increased 10.4% year over year to $365,041. The only regions where prices softened, not dramatically falling, were Southern Maryland and the Eastern Shore. 1,507 units are coming soon with a median price of $499,900. 2,351 properties came on the market since my last report and at a median list price of $445,000. That list price dropping 3.4% week over week. 2,110 properties went under contract in 12 days, with the list price rising again to $449,900 week over week. 1,367 properties sold this report in 11 days at 100% list to sold ratio and a $445,000 median sold price. There are 3,092 rental properties listed for a median $2,500 per month. These have been consistent at the $2,500 median list price and listed for 38 median days. This continues to be about 2 months of inventory. Curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 24th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.